Are you installing a car lift? Most people make this $2,000 mistake right here. Are you a shop owner or do you own a home garage? In any case, here we'll tell you what you need to install a lift and not lose money in the process. So first things first. First, you gotta make sure that you have enough space in your workshop to fit the lift that you're looking for. A 2-post lift needs at least 12 feet in height in order for the lift to fit. And a 4-post lift needs anywhere from 10 to 12 feet. But it also depends on the size of your cars. You gotta make sure that your concrete is thick enough so you can install your lift. When it comes to a 2-post lift, you need minimum 3,000 PSI and 6 inches in concrete depth. However, if you're installing a 4-post lift, you can get away with installing the 4-post lift without anchoring the bolts into the floor if it's an 8,000 or a 9,000 pound lift. If it's over a 9,000 pound lift, you must install the lift and anchor it properly on the concrete. Third, you gotta make sure that you have the right electrical installation for your lift. Most lifts require 220 volt installation, but some lifts you can get away with doing a 110. Ask your manufacturer to see which one fits best for you. Now that we have the right area, the concrete specifications and the electrical specifications, now we have to find an installer. An installer will run you about $900 to $1,500 depending if it's a 2-post lift, a 4-post lift, and what capacity you're looking for. Also, make sure that you're getting an installer that's insured. Otherwise, you're running the risk that something may happen. Now that you found the right installer, this is what the lift installation is going to include. They're going to level the lift, they're going to anchor it to the floor, and going to hook up the hydraulic system. However, most installers are not certified electricians, so they will not do the 220 volt. So make sure that you find the right electrician to hook up your lift. However, you want the professional to do the job for you, and that's where we come in as JMC. We have the best lifts from the best brand names like Benpack, Tuxedo, Emgo, Challenger, you name it, we got it. We can also help you with the installation, finding the delivery for you, and getting the job done from A to Z.